Hello and welcome. If we are to be honest with ourselves, we will have to admit that this saying that it's very difficult to live but easy to die is true. But today I'm going to share 3 secrets to longevity. Yes, 3 things that most of us should know that will help us to live a healthier, longer, happier life. So, come along with me. Let us go in. First secret is the food, and we're all foodies. Whether you're a pescatarian, a vegan, vegetarian, whatever you call yourself, food plays a vital role in our health and our longevity. Now, wherever in the world you are, what is in your plate? What do you put in your plate? One thing is for sure, whatever fruit is in season, you should have it. Wherever in the world you are, whatever country it is, once you have a fruit that is in season, you should eat that fruit. It's very good for you. Eating the fruit in season. Eating the right food, having the right type of diet, this will increase your energy, strengthen your immune system, improve your digestion, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and just put you in a better mood. You should try your best to choose foods that are good for you. Fruits, vegetable, ground provision, all those foods are very good for our bodies, and the food intake will definitely show what you eat. As you hear people say, you are what you eat. So basically, you will look like the food that you're eating. Is that a fact? But eat as best as possible so you can feel your best and also look your best. Now let's move on to the exercise. So exercise can be anything physical, whether it's a walk, a run, jog, walk up some steps, but there are several benefits to it, and exercise also will assist in giving you longevity. Strengthen bones and muscles, builds stamina, improves our cardiovascular health, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and it makes you look and feel good. 30 minutes a day is guaranteed to keep the doctor away. So, as best as possible, you need to carry out some physical activity during our day's function. So what about getting adequate rest? Rest and its importance. Adequate rest is something that is very important for your mind, your body, and your lifestyle. So getting adequate rest is very important. Now, a lot of people suffer from insomnia. Insomnia is a sleep disorder where people find it difficult to fall asleep. Now, it is crucial that you try and get adequate rest in order for your body to recover from physical activities, right? For your mental well-being, and rest allows your body to repair itself. It prevents injuries, and this will also improve your overall performance. Now, where you get your sleep can be challenging depending on where you are. Say for instance, you're in the bush, you're in your vehicle, you're at home. Wherever you are, you need to make that rest space as comfortable as possible, just to ensure that you get the required amount of sleep that your body needs to keep you functioning and functioning well. So to conclude, my friends, 3 secrets to longevity: rest, exercise, and a proper diet. What you eat, how you eat, when you eat. 30 minutes a day with the exercise keeps the doctor away. Rest, get your sleep so your body can recover as best as possible from injuries, exercise, illnesses, and all. If you do these 3 things, you're guaranteed to have a healthier, longer life. And we all deserve that. Being healthy is being happy. Longevity means gaining more wisdom. Thank you all for tuning in. Please like the video. If you have not subscribed to Campfire Fusion, please do. And do this so we can all go